Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Hilda Fardania Putri from Mathematics Education, Faculty Education and Teacher Training, class of 5A, and my identity number is 1119017000010. In this video, I will explain about square by solving the problem. And this is the question. Sinta wants to make a 3-tiered birthday cake design. The design consists of a square shape with an area of 25 cm square, 16 cm square, and 9 cm square respectively. The perimeter of the birthday cake design is... From these questions, what we want to find is the perimeter of the square. So, how to answer that questions? To answer that questions, we must understand the material about the square, specifically how to find the area of a square, the side of a square, and the perimeter of a square. So, let's review the material about square. A square is a two-dimensional shape that has 4 sides and equal angles. Area of square is defined as the number of square units needed to fill a square. If we want to find the area of a square, then we use the formula area of a square is equal to side times side. So, if we want to find the area of a square, then we have to multiply the two sides of the square. For example, the side of a square is 7 cm. The area of a square is... We can use the formula of the square. So, the area of a square is side times side. Area of the square is 7 times 7. So, the result is 49 cm square. Now, how to find the sides of a square? If we want to find the sides of a square, we can use the formula the side of the square is the square root of the area of a square. Where did the formula come from? Actually, the formula is obtained from the formula to find the area of a square, which are area of a square is side times side. So, area of a square is side square, and side is square root of the area of the square. For example, the area of a square is 25 cm square. The side of the square is... We can use the formula side is a square root of the area of a square. So, side is square root of 25 cm square, and the result is 5 cm. If we want to find the perimeter of a square, then we just add up all the sides. In the sense that when we go around the square, we go around all the sides. So, we have to add up all the sides of the square. Then, the formula for the perimeter of a square is perimeter of a square is equal sides plus sides plus sides plus sides. Or, the perimeter of a square is 4 times sides. For example, side of a square is 9 cm. Perimeter of square is... We use the formula a perimeter of the square is 4 times sides. So, perimeter of square is 4 times 9 cm, and the result is 36 cm. Now we know how to find the area of the square, the side of the square, and the perimeter of the square. So, we can answer this question. From this question, what we know is that Sinta made a 3-tiered and square-shaped birthday cake design. And the question is, what is the perimeter of the birthday cake design? From that question, we can draw the birthday cake design like this. To find the perimeter of a square, we must know each side of the square. And from that question is known, area of square A is 25 cm square. Area of square B is 16 cm square. area of square C is 9 cm square. So the side of the square are, side of square A is square root of 25 cm square, which is 5 cm. Side of square B is square root of 16 cm square, which is 4 cm. And side of square C is square root of 9 cm square, which is 3 cm. Now look at this picture. From the previous slide, we already know each side of square A, square B, and square C. We can write the sides like in this picture. The side of square A is 5 cm, the side of square B is 4 cm, and the side of square C is 3 cm. And the sum of the lengths of the 5 right line segments above is equal to the length of the sides of the largest square, which is 5 cm. So the combined perimeter of the design is... Now we already know all sides of this design and we can describe it like these pictures. As we talked about earlier, if we want to surround a square, then it means we go around all the sides. So if you want to find the perimeter of the design, we have to add up all the sides. So the perimeter of the design is 5 plus 5 plus 5 or 3 times 5 plus 4 plus 4 or 2 times 4 plus 3 plus 3 or 2 times 3 plus 5. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2 times 3 is 6 and plus 5. So the result is 34 centimeter. So the perimeter of the birthday cake design is 34 centimeter. So that's all my explanation. Hopefully it's easy to understand and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.